Guys, welcome back to another video, another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how you can grab positions from a very slow moving, boring market. Okay, so from a trader's perspective, this market here, there's not much going on. It's quite boring. I think you guys will agree. There's not much opportunity being shown. Okay, price is very slow. It's consolidating. You know, even if you draw up support resistance, it's nowhere near hitting any of those highs or lows. All right, so I'm just going to teach you a very simple strategy to maybe get entries in a very slow moving market, in a consolidating market. And it's a very simple rule, guys. It's called lower the time frame. All right, so we're going to focus on this price action here. All right, so if we were to focus on this, we would draw a trend line to our downside. Okay, so we'd want to see a break of this trend line, which we can see is starting to push through. All right, but because of how slow moving and boring and consolidating this market is, we don't know if we are correct in assuming that there is a bullish push on the way. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to lower the time frame. So down to the 4 hour, we now get some more movement. Okay, we get some more perspective on this chart. You know, our trend line is now, it can be more accurate. Okay, so we can see we have had a push through our trend line now, yeah, just below in the time frame, which is a good sign for us that, you know, there could be a potential move to the upside. Okay, and we can start mapping out things such as our zones to push through. All right, so there's already two confluences we found from that boring market just below in one time frame. Okay, let's take it even further. That's a 1 hour. So now we get a bigger perspective of the push through our trend line. Okay, and we can see price is still hovering around our zone. All right, and it's created higher highs and higher lows. Okay, you can see that very clearly. Move on to the 30-minute. See, now our perspective changes. Okay, now we can maybe go in for a day trade. Yeah, you can see, move this zone down a little bit, you can see, based on recent price action, obviously price was moving down, it's now come up, it's hit a zone, okay? And it's gone down again, hit that zone, and it's a double top, okay? So what do we know about double tops? There is what at the top here? Stop losses, all right? So now we know that potentially this market could break through before coming down again, all right? We don't know if that's going to happen, all right? So that's why we would not enter on this break and retest at the moment, all right? Because this momentous move here could be these stop losses of this double top being eaten. All right, so that's how I personally evaluate this market. It could create a move down. So what I'd want to see next is a few more rejections of this level and a strong bullish candle. And after that bullish candle, I'd enter a move to the upside and maybe look for a prior level of structure, maybe this one right here, to take profit after that move. Okay, because we do know it's a very consolidated market. It's probably not going to push through this area of consolidation because that's the top resistance zone. Okay, so we want to look for a trade after maybe one more rejection and a strong bullish candle to confirm our move to the upside and confirm this bullish move is not just a big move because of this double top, these double top stop losses being eaten. Okay, so that's how I'd analyze this market, guys. You can see that took 2 minutes for completely different perspectives from this, you know, to 4 hour perspective, to a 1 hour perspective, to a 30-minute perspective, and you could even go down to the 15-minute, maybe look for rejections at the level, and watch that. But you can just see how lower in the time frame you can open up positions from a very boring looking market. You know, just looking at that, you wouldn't look to enter anywhere because where would you enter? Yeah, it's not very interesting, and that's why lowering the time frame is very important. So remember that key tip. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and make sure you have a fantastic week. Good luck with any trades you take, and I will see you all in the next video.